In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit labels in Gmail. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, navigate to the left sidebar where Gmail displays all your folders and labels. In this section, you will see all the labels you've previously created, along with any existing labels already available in your account. This is where you can manage and organize them. Next, locate the label you want to modify. Move your mouse over that label. When you hover over it, you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear to the right side of the label name. These dots open the Label Actions menu. Click the 3 vertical dots next to the label. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that label. From this menu, select Edit. Once the edit window opens, you will see the label name field. In this field, you can type a new name if you want to rename the label. This is useful if you want to improve the label name or correct any spelling or typographical errors that may have been created earlier. Below the label name field, you will also see the option labeled Nest Label Under. This setting allows you to place the label inside another label to create a structured hierarchy. If you want to change where the label appears in your label structure, you can check or uncheck this option and choose a different parent label if needed. After making your changes, click Save to apply the updates. Gmail will immediately update the label in the sidebar. If you open the same 3-dot menu again, you will also notice additional options near the bottom of the list. From there, you can remove the label entirely or create a sublabel if you want to expand your label organization further. If you need to edit other labels, simply repeat the same process by hovering over another label, clicking the 3 vertical dots, selecting Edit, and making your changes. Once finished, the updated labels will appear in your Gmail sidebar with the new settings applied. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.